name is Emily and I'm an environmental educator here at Clay Pit Ponds State Park Preserve. Today I'm introducing you to our corn snake who lives here at the Nature Center. Now this is Weasley. She is a candy cane corn snake. The candy cane refers to her morph or color variation. So that's kind of like dog breeds but for snakes. She was bred to be this bright orange color. The corn snake part refers to her species. Corn snakes are native to the southeastern United States. They can grow 4 to 8 feet long, and in the wilds they typically live around to 8 years old. But in captivity, they can live to 20 years or more. Corn snakes are constrictors. Do you know what a constrictor is? What does constrictor mean? That's right. To kill their prey, they will squeeze them, cutting off the circulation of their blood. So they constrict themselves around their prey. Now, corn snakes in the wild will eat small rodents, amphibians, and bird eggs. And we feed Weasley here small mice that we have thawed out from frozen. Snakes have a very mobile, flexible jaw that allows them to open their mouth really wide and swallow their prey whole. Very cool. Typically, they can eat prey that is as big as the widest part in their body. So sometimes that means that they eat prey that's bigger than their head. Other snakes are venomous. So to kill the prey, they will strike out, biting them with their fangs, injecting venom into the prey's blood. This venom will immobilize or kill the prey, making it easier for the snake to eat. Good thing Weasley here is not venomous. Snakes are reptiles. That means that they are exotherms or cold-blooded. Do you know what cold-blooded means? What are cold-blooded animals? What are exotherms? That's right. These types of animals, the outside temperature affects their inner temperature, unlike humans and other mammals where we can regulate our own temperature. Snakes will be more active during sunny, warm days, and they will be dormant in the cold winter. Now, snakes are covered entirely in scales, including a scale over their eye. And contrary to popular belief, these scales are not slimy. Snake scales feel very smooth, soft, and dry. This is because they're made out of the same stuff that's made out of our fingernails, keratin. So snakes will shed their skin, and we shed our skin constantly, but snakes will shed their skin in one go, creating something like this, a snake shed. And she just recently shed this beautiful snake skin, and you can really tell the difference between the types of scales. You can see the long scales for movement and the smaller scales along her back. And so she looks beautiful and bright because she just shed. But snakes that are about to shed usually have a dull coloring and can get cloudy over their eyes. And so it's best not to handle snakes when they're about to shed because they can't see very well. And so they might get spooked. Now, fun fact, snakes do not have an eyelid. Like I said, they have a scale over their eye. And so you will never see a snake blink. And if you see a snake blink, it's not a snake. This is a great way to tell the difference between a snake and a legless lizard. Now, as she moves around, you may have noticed that Weasley will stick out her tongue. There she goes. Why do snakes stick out their tongue? Why is she sticking out her tongue? What is the tongue used for? What is the tongue used for? That's right, she uses her tongue to smell. Snakes will stick out their tongue and catch little air particles and be able to interpret them as smell. Now, this helps them hunt for prey. Why would they have a forked tongue? They have a forked end of their tongue. Why do you think that's helpful for these snakes that are smelling prey? Why do they have a forked tongue? That's right, it's to help them smell in two different directions, left and right. Awesome. Snakes are beautiful creatures and there's nothing to fear, as long as you respect them. If you come across a snake in the wild, give it a wide berth. Snakes won't try to strike out unless they feel threatened. They're probably more scared of you than you are of them. Snakes can be great pets. They are low maintenance and friendly, but make sure you research beforehand and buy your snake from a responsible breeder. Don't get it from the wild. If you have to surrender your snake, bring it to an animal shelter. Don't release your snake into the wild because it could turn into an invasive species, like the Burmese python in Florida. Well, that's all I have to say about snakes today. I hope you enjoyed learning about them and meeting Weasley. If you have any other questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below and we will answer them.